Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday is the favorite day of the week because today I'm going to be sharing a free printable. It's a document that you guys can download and print for absolutely free. It's my little treat. It's a complimentary treat from me to you guys. Keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. On Wednesday, we made together these super cute vintage faux stamps. And in case you missed it, I will put Wednesday videos down below and also at the end of the video, so you guys can go and check it out. Love, love, love these stamps. I have used, to make those, I have used the one of these November VIP kit. This is called the Victorian Christmas. This is what's left. So it's a kit full of Victorian embellishment and ephemera. So they're all in different sizes. So you guys can create anything that you want, from cards to tags. You can either make really super cute, super thin cards. Put this on the front. You can cut them and create your own collage. As if you do like master boards, you can do, honestly guys, anything that you want with these. It's a very large kit. There's lots of pages. My favorite page is probably this one here, which is the first, when you got the Father's Christmas and all the scenery from the Victorian era. As I said on that video, I always said that I was born in the wrong era, so I should have born during the Victorian age. So you saw the kit, you saw the project that we made on Wednesday, and then today's freebie, ta-da, it's this one here. So you've got one page. This is not on the VIP kit. This is just an extra page I have designed as a freebie, so you guys can go on my Facebook group and download it as we speak. So if you wish to become a VIP members, follow the link down below. I got 3-month subscription, 6-month subscription and 12-month subscriptions. As I said on Wednesday, you basically pay upfront once, and then you get every month you get at least 2, sometimes it's 3. This month is 4. Yeah, I tend to get bigger and bigger and bigger with the kits choice. So this you get 4 kits in November. Go and check out the Wednesday video so you can see better all the kits that of my VIP members have received in the beginning of the month. You always get 20% off discount code that you can use on my entire catalog on my website, and also every month all my VIP members get a chicken offer. So yeah, go and check it out. So this freebie, as all my freebies, are available to be downloaded on my Facebook group, and I'll show you in just a second how. But also, if you join my newsletter, it's completely free. I send one email. I'm not here to spam anybody, because spamming is not kind. On a Friday, I send a newsletter, and I will put here on the left hand side what it looks like. There is a recap of my video. There is some kit of the month, kit of the week. Sometimes there is a cheeky discount code for you guys to use and enjoy. And on each email, there is the attachment. So this attachment is for this week freebie. So the newsletter gets sent out at 9 p.m. British time. So you need to bear that in mind. Because this attachment is gone out already on the newsletter as we speak, because it gets sent out at 9 p.m. You can go to my Facebook group and I can show you now where to find all my freebies. Guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Okay guys, we're gonna go now. Guys, big shout out to every single one of you. As usual, I know I say in every video, but you guys are awesome. Your support is much appreciated. And today's special shout out, and I'll put Stephanie's comment on the screen. Stephanie said that she loved the VIP subscription and it is so worth it. Stephanie is one of my VIP members. So honestly, Stephanie, every time you send me an email with the feedback and every month, that email brings so much happiness and a big smile on my face. Guys, before we go, I want to finish the video with a lovely affirmation quote. Today is number 20. There we go. So, number 20, be here now. Focusing on the present. The past is past. The past is gone. The future is not here yet. So, be here now. Okay guys, I hope you like this freebie. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more freebie and free resources available to every single one of you. Guys, don't forget also to check out this freebie on my Facebook group, and don't forget to join my newsletter as well. Do you need more inspirations? If the answer is yes, I will put a couple of links here on the screen, guys. So another 2 more videos that you can go and check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a fabulous weekend, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.